Welcome to Artificial Frontier. We're about to explore one of the most mind-boggling thought experiments, fitting the entire world's population into Australia. While we're not suggesting everyone pack their bags and move there, this idea provides a fascinating look at just how big or small our global community really is compared to the planet's available land. In the next few minutes, we'll reveal 5 surprising facts that show just how easily, at least by raw numbers, every person on Earth could find a spot on this enormous island continent. Number 1. Australia's vast land area. Australia covers about 7.7 million square kilometers, approximately 2.97 million square miles. This equals roughly 7.7 trillion square meters of land. To visualize this scale, it's about 32 times larger than the entire United Kingdom or nearly the size of the contiguous United States, but with far fewer people living there. Number 2. Space per person at today's population. With around 8 billion humans currently on Earth, dividing Australia's 7.7 trillion square meters by this population gives each person about 962 square meters. That's comparable to the footprint of an average suburban home and yard in many developed countries. Number 3. A surprising amount of personal space. Even in crowded cities, people have far less dedicated personal space than 962 square meters. In dense urban areas, individuals have only a few square meters in their living quarters. By comparison, this scenario suggests a surprisingly generous plot of land for each person if they were all crammed into Australia's territory. Number 4. High-density settlements would free up land. If people were housed at the density of a busy global metropolis, such as central Tokyo or Manhattan, a much smaller portion of Australia's land would be needed to accommodate everyone. In fact, the total global population could fit into an area the size of a large city if everyone stood shoulder to shoulder, leaving the rest of Australia completely empty. Number 5. A thought experiment, not a real plan. The idea of fitting the world's entire population into Australia is best viewed as a mathematical or conceptual exercise. It illustrates that humans, for all our numbers, don't actually occupy that much raw physical space compared to Earth's total land area. However, the complexity of human life, our need for resources, economy, culture, and sustainable environments means that simply having enough physical space is not remotely sufficient for real-world living.